Hi guys, this is David Coleman from WP Mayor. Today we're going to look at Printify, an on-demand drop shipping service for WooCommerce. And we're going to start out by taking a look at their website. Printify handles billing, shipping, all of the fulfillment. You just need to focus on marketing and your sales. They work with WooCommerce, Shopify, and Etsy. The process is simple. You create products that they provide. You design on those products and you sell. They have a full catalog to choose from, including t-shirts, all kinds of sweatshirts, hoodies. And they give you information for each product. They have different print providers. In this case, they only have one. You can see their prices, their average production time, where they can print, the sizes they offer, and the colors they offer. So let's take a look at some. Here's some mugs. And as you can see, this mug has two print providers with different pricing and production times and whatnot. So you customize designs on products that they provide. You set a retail price and you pay the wholesale price and earn your profit. They make it very easy to set up an e-commerce platform and gives you the opportunity to make some money. They save you time with their tools. They handle the drop shipping, as I said. They have enterprise solutions for larger corporations. They have an average fulfillment time of 2.2 days. Here's some testimonials. It's easy to sign up, free to sign up. They have lots of help, user manuals, design guides, shipping guides, talk about their merchant protection. You can browse the catalog through the product, brand, or print provider. You can sell on WooCommerce, of course. They have a nice mock-up generator. They have a blog. You can see all of their print providers. So let's go to the top here and check out. Here's the how it works section. It's very simple how it works. You pick from the products you want to sell. You put your custom design on those products. You set a retail price, pay the wholesale price, and get the profit. Their help center provides lots of information, FAQs. Printify does a great job providing help, lots of documentation, videos on their YouTube channel, some nicely written guides, and again, it's an easy platform to use. It's not like you're going to need a whole lot of help, but they do a good job providing it. Let's walk through the process of signing up with Printify. So you need to go to their website and click the sign up button and just basically enter an email and a password of your choice and click the create account button. Now you need to enter your store name. I'll just put David for now. Click continue and then enter some business address information such as your name, phone number, and address. And Printify shows you the 3 easy steps for using their platform. You select a product and a print provider. And then you use your artwork and design to customize the product, and you set a retail price for the product. Printify is free, but you can get discounted wholesale prices with their business plan. Now I don't have any stores with products in them. Here's your account information, uploaded files, how you're going to pay for customer products. Printify has over 150 products, and you can browse through their print providers. And they don't do the printing in-house. They have a network of manufacturers and printers. You can also check out their brands. And so it gives you an option to maybe choose a printer who specializes in the product you're customizing. So here's some adult tees. You can see this one has 4 print providers. This one has 3. And if we turn on the business prices, you can see they're cheaper here, $10.23. This must be a glitch, I'm not sure. $6.32 versus $8.21. $6.96. Let's check that out. Okay, it does list it as $6.96. So, and it has 4 print providers, and you can choose among them by price or maybe their production time, how many areas you can print on, the sizes they offer, the colors. So in this regard, it's definitely an advantage, in my view, to be able to choose among different companies. So you can look at the providers and the brands again. And let's talk about how to connect to WooCommerce. So before we do that, let me show you my shop on my demo site. I have shoes in my WooCommerce store. And what you want to do is go to WooCommerce settings and first turn on the API, enable the REST API, make sure that's clicked and click Save Changes. And then go to your permalinks settings in WordPress and choose anything but plain. I recommend post name and click Save for that. Now let's go back to Printify. I have no products in my store. And make sure your settings are okay. Let's change this to David's t-shirts. And you can set your ship from address either to the default, which is the location where the product was printed, or a custom address. So we'll leave it at the default. Your order approval can be manual or automatic within an hour, 24 hours, or you can set your time for every day. We'll leave it at manual for now. I have no orders because I have no products. You can get discounts through their business account for $49 a month. They have a help section as we've seen before. So let's go and manage my stores here. And as you can see, there's no store link to Printify. We're going to connect the WooCommerce store on my WordPress site. So let's use the WooCommerce option and click the connect button. And all you have to do is paste in the address of your site and click continue. And this will give Printify access to view and manage coupons and customers and more. Click approve. And now our site is linked up and we can view the home page. And so now, through the API, our WooCommerce site is talking to Printify. And as you can see, you can look at different account information. Again, you can set up how you're going to pay for customer orders for the wholesale price, either through a credit card or through PayPal. So once we're connected, you can see it is talking to us by checking out the apps and the webhooks. And let's talk about how to create a product with Printify. You have lots of products to choose from, as we've already shown. And let's maybe pick one of these shirts. I kind of like that one. Gives you basic information about it. If there's more than one print provider, you can choose. And as you can see, there's different prices, different production times, options to print on different areas. They offer different sizes and different colors. So $6.96, let's go with this one. Start designing. And now you have a template. We're in edit mode here in their design tool. And it shows where you can print front, back, the left sleeve, the right sleeve. That looks the same. The neck label, they offer inner labels and outer labels to help customize and brand. So let's just use the front side and we can check out our variants and costs. We're going to simplify this and go with small, medium, large, and extra large. We have 64 variants right now. It's quite a few. I'm going to simplify that and just choose a couple colors: black, white, light blue, and click Save. And now add your own design. You can see the cost and the variance 18 out of 96. And you can see the size 4500 by 5700 for the design. Let's jump over to Photoshop real quick and talk about image editing. So you set up your dimensions, 72 pixels per inch. Printify recommends you work in CMYK mode so that you know what the colors will look like. But once you're done editing, you can save it in RGB mode as a PNG file, transparent background. So we can go in and save as PNG or PNG file, however you want to pronounce it. And again, RGB, non-interlaced. And so that's how we save this file. I called it Cute Penguin. And add your design. I already have one thing uploaded. I just re-uploaded it. You can use Dropbox, Google Drive. So let's find this file, upload it. And there it is, the correct size. Select that. And it's positioned on the front. And if you go over here, you can see 300 dot per inch. It says excellent quality. Preview mode, you can see what it looks like with different colored t-shirts. And you can go in at any time and change the variants, the colors, the sizing, the pricing. So you can easily flip through the color variants to see what they look like in preview mode. Let's go back to edit mode. And so we have our design. You can use the slider to zoom in and out. If you get too big, it'll crop the image. So you can change the size that way. You can rotate your design. And you can also do that by going up here in the top right and altering the numbers here. So we'll go back to 100%, change our rotation back to normal. Click Save and Continue. And then if you look up here, you're looking at the mockups. And whatever you choose here will appear as the title image in your store. So you want to go through Design, Mockups, Description, Pricing, and then Store Details. Click Continue. Now we're in the description area. And Printify automatically adds your product title. You can change it however you want. It adds the information automatically. Our penguin t-shirt is comfortable and light. A premium fit is short sleeve. That is a classic choice. So it's great. It saves you time. You can add the size table. And it puts it where your cursor is, so make sure you put it where you want it, the cursor where you want it, and then we'll put it underneath here. So I like the fact that it adds that information automatically. You can change HTML or do it through the WYSIWYG editor. Click Continue. Prices are set for each size. You can even drill down to the colors and change your prices there if you wanted to. But I'm going to keep this simple. And it automatically fills in suggested prices. That's the wholesale price, the retail price. You can change it with a click of a button. It shows you the profit percentage and the amount that you're profiting. And we'll make the extra large $24 and keep everything else at $22.25. Click Continue. Store Details, this is where we publish the product to our store. So just click this button, and we don't want to make it invisible, we want it visible. And click Save Changes. And you can see it's publishing the product. And it's going to send it to our store. So we can edit it, see the product details. Again, this is how it will be presented. Hide it on the site, duplicate it, delete it. Let's go view it. So here's my WooCommerce store back on my WordPress site. And we can change colors. And you can go through the colors. Change the sizes. It's 22.50, now it's 24 because we changed the extra large pricing. It automatically puts in the description and the table size below it. So you can see Printify does a lot of work for you. Now let's go to the actual shop on my site instead of through their preview. And there it is. Premium penguin shirt. And you click that and it's that easy. Now let's go add another product. We'll do a mug this time. And there's one print provider for the mug. We'll select that. It brings up the mug template. We'll add our design. Cute penguin. Select. And now the size is different for the recommended size for the mug. But because it's such a high resolution file, we can just scale it down. Let's add a background color. My recommendation is always to create your artwork at the correct size to begin with. But for this demo, we'll just go through this like it is. And then it gives you the mockups for your product. Again, we'll go through the process. Click continue. It automatically adds the description and the product title. We can change that. We'll leave it alone. Pricing is automatically suggested. We can leave that. And then we're going to publish it to our store again. Save changes. It's publishing the product to our WooCommerce store. And that's that quick. Let's go back and add one more. We'll pick a poster this time. We'll do this guy, and there's two print providers. You can see the different options. Start designing with this guy. We'll put a background on this design. Something like that. Add our design to it. And there you go. It's good quality. We'll click save and continue. Again, I recommend using an image size of the right dimensions for excellent quality. And then you see the mock-up images. Click continue. Automatically adds text for our description. Automatically has pricing, which we can change if we choose. Click continue. Store details is going to let us publish our product. Save changes and publish. And there you go. It's publishing our product to our WooCommerce site. And so let's go to our actual shop on WordPress. There's our mug. You can pick different sizes. And then let's go and look at our poster with many different sizes, different variables, product variables. And then we'll go back and we have our t-shirt. So that's how easy and fast it is to create products and put them on your WooCommerce site with Printify. Now let's look at shipping with Printify. I want to go to plugins, add new, and search for Printify for WooCommerce. And this is going to give us real-time shipping costs at checkout. So install it and activate it. And now go under WooCommerce, Settings, Shipping, Printify Shipping. Enable the shipping method and disable the WooCommerce rates. Let's go to our store, go to our shop, put something in our cart. Let's grab this shirt. I like the black. Add to cart. Let's view the cart. And the shipping is to a California address. $4 for standard, $24.46 for express. Let's change it to Michigan. And update the totals. Standard is still $4, express is $38.04. Besides the live shipping rates you saw here, Printify comes with flat rate as well as weight-based shipping. And of course, WooCommerce can provide many shipping options based on third-party plugins. That's it for now for Printify's print-on-demand drop shipping service. This is a service with a lot of unique offerings. For David Coleman and WP Mayer, thanks for watching.